Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Shilajit Chatterjee and today I am going to explain a poem which is included in the class 12 English syllabus, and the poem's name is My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. In this video I am going to give a brief introduction about the poem and also about the poet Kamla Das. So, the poet Kamla Das was born in Kerala and she is one of India's first poets. In her writings, we get a glimpse of her own true inner feelings of the mind. In the poem My Mother at 66, the poet expresses sorrow and melancholy. She is traveling with her mother in a car, and when she looks at her mother, who is fast asleep, the poet becomes grief stricken. Our parents are our most prized possessions of our lives, although we know it for sure that every living being is mortal and would ultimately have to live this earthly life. Yet, when we think about our parents' death, we become filled with a kind of pathos. We sometimes wonder how we are going to handle the huge setback when our prized, precious and loved parents leave us for their heavenly abode. Our parents are our life givers. They are the ones who have nurtured us, given us whatever we have needed, and cared for us right from our childhood. The departure of a person's mother and father from their lives creates a kind of void which can never be filled up again. The poem My Mother at 66 brings out the poet's fear of losing her mother as she has grown quite old. When the poet looks at her mother, who is fast asleep in the car, she becomes remorseful. She realizes the fact that her mother is aging and it won't be too long before her mother leaves her forever. But then quickly the poet turns her face away from her mother and looks outside into the playgrounds where she sees many young children running about joyfully. But again, when the poet looks at her mother at the airport and wants to bid her farewell, she again becomes quite grief stricken, and the childhood fear, that is, the fear of losing her mother, comes back again to haunt her. However, the poet did not express her feelings and she gave her mother a bright smile as she bid her farewell. Hence, the poem My Mother at 66 gives us a vivid description of the kind of love that a daughter can have for her mother, and not only a daughter, the kind of love that every child possesses for his or her parents is quite vividly portrayed in the poem. The poet expresses how sorrowful she becomes when she thinks about her parents' death, and though the parents' death is quite inevitable, yet we are almost filled with grief and remorse whenever we think about the fact that someday or the other we will have to bid farewell to our parents once and for all. The poem also brings out the fact that life is transient and nothing is permanent. Everything is temporary. Every mortal that is born uh, uh, in this world has to one day leave us forever. No matter how old we become, the love for our parents is permanent, and this is what the poet has tried to convey in this short but beautiful poem. This was just a brief introduction about the poem, and I hope I have been able to explain it in a decent manner. Thank you so much.